So Vita, this is second part of our video. So we will continue from question number 5. Why does a river get bigger and bigger? River gets bigger when tributaries join them. Always keep moving because it is liquid. Question number 6. What name is given to pipes which take away dirty waters? Sewer, big buildings where things are made, factories. On the next page, C. A place where many ships can load and unload cargoes. Seaport. Name as many different kinds of ports or ship as you can. So we have ferry, yacht, canoe, and sailboat. Give the opposite of these words: down, up, slowly, fastly, dirty, plain, beautiful, ugly, laughed, cried, long, short, sad, happy, wide, narrow, whispered, screamed, entered, exited. So this was our lecture for today. If you have any kind of problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Take care. Allah Hafiz.